Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll show you a very interesting use case when it comes to problem solving. So if you have problems in your business in terms of growing or some specific problems that are happening in your business model or in your brand, I just developed a very creative way of trying to solve your problems with AI and more specifically with Promptmate. In case you haven't read this book called Great CEOs Are Lazy from Jim Schleckser, it's a very interesting book and I really recommend it if you want to grow in terms of entrepreneurship and business. But to summarize it very shortly, it shows how you can actually have to switch your position even if you are the founder in order to fix a specific problem. So for example, it says that there are 5 hats you can wear. So the learner hat is when in order to keep your business growing, you have to keep learning, and then the architect hat is about improving your existing business model or taking a new business concept. The coach hat is when you have to think about employee talent, how to acquire it, improve it, etc. The engineer hat is when you're working on implementing and improving the processes that align with the value proposition of your business. And the player hat is when you have to dip into the company's different functional areas such as sales, marketing, product design, etc. in order to improve your business. So when I read this book, the first idea that came to my mind is if I can actually make Promptmate summarize this book and use this mentality and this philosophy, then it can customize it to my own problem. So it's like implementing the book directly to your specific problem. So this is what I had in mind, and this is what I created with Promptmate. Let me show you how. So I created this template, which as you can see is not complete, called Business Problem Solver. And I'll show you what it does. So if you click Use Template, the only input that you have to add is actually describing your own business problem. So for example, if we say, I am struggling to find new ways to get sales qualified leads for my web design agency. And then you click Run, it will directly send you to the solution. So as you can see, when the results are ready, this is what it says. To solve your problem of finding new ways to get sales qualified leads for your web design agency, you can wear the learner hat and the engineer hat. So with the learner hat, track processes through relevant metrics. Start by tracking the effectiveness of your current lead generation strategies, identify. And then the engineer hat, it says relying on exceptional talent. Assess if you are relying too much on exceptional individuals to generate sales qualified leads. Instead of focus on refining your lead generation system and process. So it really becomes specific. So you can make a roadmap with this. You can make an actual action plan and execute it and get to the solution of your problem. So here is why I prefer Promptmate over ChatGPT for this use case. You can definitely go on ChatGPT, get this, just copy paste this on ChatGPT. It will just give you the generic solution, right? Optimize your website, content marketing. So it doesn't have a philosophy or a school of thought as an input. It just goes and gives you the most generic answer ever. Now, of course, you might say you can sophisticate your prompt, give more input, etc. Or you can just copy paste the summary of the book here. But then again, it will hallucinate later on. If you have to save the prompts, you have to refresh the conversation and try to see if it's hallucinating or not. But on Promptmate, I have saved this as a template. And now all I have to do is just describe every business problem I might have. So yeah, it's fantastic because then it has also a second prompt. My second prompt within the template says, based on your proposition, give me daily and more concrete steps to execute and progress towards the solution of my problem. So this is your proposition. I give the prompt result that it gave me already, and this is what it does. Learner hat, create a spreadsheet to track the effectiveness of your current lead generation, so you can start implementing action to get your desired result to solve your current problem. So it's very exciting. I will publish this template and you can really try it for yourself. All you have to do is put any business problem you might have, even if you're a freelancer or a small agency or an influencer or whatever position you're in. The book itself, together with the power of AI, I think it's a very beautiful combination, a very creative solution to solve your business problems. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.